The smartest solution to control the lights? Simple. Finder YESLY. You can manage your entire lighting system by room and set up scenarios. The system is composed of the actuator, a dimmer, the Beyond button, and the connection to a smartphone. The actuator, with Bluetooth technology, can be programmed very easily and intuitively. One simply sets it up inside the switch box and controls it with the Finder Toolbox app. Easy. Now it's time to install the system's dimmer, ideal for any type of lamp and perfect for LED ones. A quick and simple task that can be checked via smartphone right away. Good work! With the Beyond button, you can comfortably manage all the lights connected to Finder YESLY. The Beyond button can be set in 3 different configurations to suit your needs. Now all that remains is to place the Beyond button wherever you'd like. There! You have control of the lights at a touch of a button. With the system configuration done, it's easy to share it with your client. Finder YESLY. It's time for comfort living.